John, do you mind going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Roger. Yeah, Darrell, Scott's here.
Hey, Scott, you got a copy?
Yes, I do.
Hey, John, are you on here?
Yeah, there we go. Now I am.
Hey, how about we gather out here over the wheat field south of the runway and do a little formation flight and fly pretty low, like across the bean field, just west of the runway.
Sounds like fun, I'm in.
Come back on that, Scott?
Yes, sir. Sounds like a good plan.
John, are you into that?
That's fine. I'm not 100% sure what you got in mind, but I'll follow you, I guess.
Well, I'm probably going to be flying a little bit faster than you guys because of the weight. So if I would kind of go out front in the center and have one of you guys on either side, and we'll just come in as if we're doing a low pass kind of across the bean field just west of the runway.
Roger that. I'll take the right side behind you.
Okay, Scott's going to take to the east. John, you want to hang out to the west and we'll try to line up?
Roger. You can go ahead and turn inbound there, Darrell, and I'll form up on you.
Okay, I got to wait for John to catch up. So while you keep heading this way a little bit, hang out right by the wheat field. I'm going to go south a little bit further.
Roger that. Be aware I got a low battery indication on my radio. It should last, but just in case.
I copy that. Well, we got it figured out. You're going to go to the east. John's going to go to the west. And, yeah, we'll try to see if we can get something lined up.
What altitude do you want to enter on?
Oh, let's enter somewhere around that 30 to 50 feet. You okay with that, guys?
Yeah, that works.
Sound good to you, John?
30 to 50, is that what you said?
Yes. Okay, Scott, you hang out to the east. I'm going to hang out here to the south. I'll wait till John comes in.
Roger that.
Okay, I'm going to switch over to the air boss and let him know what we're doing, and then I'll come back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Roger.
I just talked to the air boss, and he said, go ahead, it's all yours.
All right, I'll fall in on your right side here.
Up here, if you guys want to come in beside me, and we'll just come across the tree and start taking her down, miss that tree by the road, and do a low pass. Scott, you're going to be kind of across the grass. I'll be in the beans, and John will be in the beans beside me.
Got that?
You guys copy?
Yeah, I got you. I got part of it.
Okay, Scott's going to be like over the grass. I'll be over the edge of the beans, and John, you'll be to the west of me in the beans as well.
Roger. You're running away from me a bit there, but... Yeah, me too.
Guys, I'm going to go up here to the edge of the woods. I'm going to do a real tight circle, and I'll come in, try to be in line with you, all right?
Roger that. Which direction?
I'm going to make a right-hand turn, and it'll be pretty tight, so you guys don't have to spread out a whole lot at all.
All right, I'll be watching you.
to know where these power lines start. I'm going to keep it up a little bit.
You can come in a little tighter, John. This is fantastic. I love it.
That was awesome, man.
That worked like a charm. Oh my goodness.
I got it all on GoPro, dude.
I hope somebody got a picture of that with 3 cruisers coming down the flight line.
That's a hell of an advertisement, isn't it?
Get this opening, I'll break left.
Roger that. I believe we're going to go in for a full stop.
Sure, Roger.
I'll fall in both behind you guys, number 3.
John, are you going in for a full stop?
I am. I just headed out west here. I'm going to make a circle around this little woods patch, and I'll fall in behind you.
Go ahead. You're number 1. I'll follow you in.
Okay, Roger. I'll just make it a downwind then for me.
Sounds good. Scott, you got a copy of what we're doing?
Yeah, I'll be number 3 behind you. I got somebody below behind me, too.
Roger that. You got Brian Cal behind you. You'll be number 3. I'm going to switch over to Mentone traffic.
Too. That was freaking awesome.
Mentone traffic, powered parachute, 274 Victor's, left base, full stop, 36 Mentone.
Mentone traffic, powered parachute 547 November Echo. I'll be number 2, following the yellow chute for a full stop, Mentone.
Mentone traffic, power parachute running. Mike Papa's on the left base will be number 3, full stop, Mentone.
Four Victor, turning final, 36 Mentone.
Tail line Charlie. Mentone traffic, power parachute runner, Mike Papa, final 436, full stop, Mentone. Awesome, man. Oh my God, that was so cool.